Hi guys, it's Angela here again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare stewed beans, and I'm using black eyed beans for this recipe. In here I have black eyed beans. I have been soaking this for 2 hours now. I'm just going to sieve this water out and add water to it to cover it up and just start cooking. And we're going to be enjoying it with fried yam and dodo, fried ripe plantain. And I'm going to be stewing my beans with crayfish, salt, palm oil, onions, canned tomato, and habanero pepper. You don't need too much for beans. Now this is my beans. It's not completely ready yet. You have to cook your beans very soft. It takes time, but you have to be patient. And I'm not using all these beans. I'm going to save some in my zipper bag and just put in my freezer to save it, so that next time I don't spend too much time cooking it. And I already sliced my plantain and I diced some of it to cook with the beans. And I'm using half of the yam. You can see I already peeled the yam and I put in shape what I want, just how I want it. My beans is completely ready now. I'm just going to take out of it what I'm going to be using. And that's it. Now I'm going to add the onions and the diced plantain that I'm going to be adding to it. Just cover it up and let it cook a little bit. Now I'm going to be blending my crayfish, tomato, and onions and the pepper. I'm going to add palm oil to my pan. I'm not going to be bleaching it, just heating it up a little bit. Then I'm going to fry my blended tomatoes. And we're going to be enjoying this with tilapia, grilled tilapia in the oven. I did that off camera. I don't want this video too long. Now I just added onions to my oil. Just fry it maybe for a few seconds. Adding my blended tomatoes, crayfish, onions, and the pepper to it. I fried it together for 5 minutes. I'm just pouring it now inside the beans. And I'm going to cook it together for 7 to 10 minutes. Then it's ready. And my yam and the plantain is still busy. Now I add stock cube to it and a little bit of salt. Then I let it cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Then it's ready. That is my stewed beans. It's so yummy. And that's my yam. It's completely fried. I deep fried it. That is dinner. That's the tilapia grilled in the oven. It's so yummy. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you there.